Imagine walking through the heart of the Andes, getting lost in Chile's rainforests, and witnessing landscapes you never even dreamed of. This video will take you on a journey beyond imagination. Are you ready to discover the untouched, mysterious nature of Chile? Torres del Paine National Park. Torres del Paine National Park, located in Patagonia, Chile, is one of the most breathtaking places on Earth, showcasing a stunning and diverse nature. The park is famous for its towering, rock-like Torres del Paine peaks, which rise dramatically from the ground, standing as massive columns. The beauty of these peaks, especially during sunrise and sunset, is truly unparalleled as they change with the shifting light and weather. Within the park, turquoise lakes, massive glaciers, and vast green meadows create unforgettable landscapes. The Llanquihue Lake, with its crystal clear blue waters, reflects the surrounding mountains in a dreamlike scene. Torres del Paine National Park is a destination where every season offers colorful vistas and captivating views. It's a place where every step feels like a journey into the endless wonders of nature. Kotakotani Lagoon. Kotakotani Lagoon is a stunning destination located in the heart of the AndesMountains, near the Laguna San Rafael National Park. This small yet mesmerizing lake, with its crystal clear waters and turquoise hues, seems to reveal another world. The lake is surrounded by massive, snow-covered mountains, creating a unique and tranquil landscape. The reflection of towering peaks in the still waters of the lake enchants every viewer. The region around Kotakotani Lagoon is also famous for its biodiversity. Native birds like flamingos and rare animal species live in this untouched environment, offering visitors a sense of peace and beauty. Especially in winter, when soft white snow blankets the mountains and the lake turns into a serene, cool-colored paradise, it takes on a special splendor. Easter Island, Rapa Nui. Easter Island in Chile is one of the most remote and fascinating places in the world. Famous for its giant moai statues, which are symbols of the island's indigenous culture and history. This island, recognized as the most remote inhabited place on Earth, is part of Chile and is located about 3,700 kilometers off the Chilean coast. Easter Island is truly a part of human cultural heritage, with a complex and mysterious history. The moai statues, made in various sizes, represent leaders and important figures of the Rapa Nui society. These statues are crafted from basalt or volcanic tuff stone, and some of them stand over 10 meters tall. Rapa Nui, which in the local language is called Mata Ki Te Rapa, meaning eye toward the outside world, symbolizes isolation and separation due to its solitude in the Pacific Ocean. The people of this island have their own unique language, and the rich and fascinating culture that has developed over centuries is still preserved in the form of stories, dances, and traditions. Laguna del Inca. Laguna del Inca is a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Andes and one of the most beautiful lakes in Chile, located at an altitude of 2,850 meters above sea level. This lake, famous for its clear blue waters, lies near Cerro Almeida in the Atacama region, making it a popular destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. The crystal-clear waters of Laguna del Inca are set among rocky cliffs and alpine meadows, creating a dreamy landscape that brings a sense of tranquility and awe to every viewer. There are legends surrounding the lake that connect it to the Inca culture, and some believe that this lake was once a sacred place for religious and ceremonial practices of this ancient civilization. Surrounding Laguna del Inca are lush green plains and snow-covered mountains, with natural views so captivating that they enchant every visitor who comes. Osorno volcano. The Osorno volcano, located in the Llanquihue region of southern Chile, is one of the country's stunning natural landmarks, showcasing its breathtaking and unique landscapes in the heart of the AndesMountains. With its conical peak and snow-covered summit, this volcano shines like a gem amidst the lakes and lush forests of the region, offering visitors a mesmerizing view. A blend of crystal-clear lakes, such as Lake Todos los Santos, and fast-flowing rivers at the base of the volcano presents a delightful combination of blue and green hues. Along with these scenic wonders, the tranquil and pristine atmosphere of the area awakens a deep connection with nature in every traveler. The Osorno volcano, with its grandeur and magnificence, is one of Chile's natural treasures that holds a special place in the memory of every visitor. Nature of Chile is not limited to its stunning landscapes. Every corner tells a story waiting for you. So, if this visual journey amazed you, perhaps one day you will step into this magical world. Until the next trip and new adventure, nature will always call you.